Welcome passengers, MegaSim. I'm at Crewe. This train that I've just arrived on is running late, so I've literally got 10 minutes to my next train. But I thought we would have a look around the station. This is Crewe. It's on Spirit of Steam. I've got 10 minutes. So let's get on with it. Welcome aboard passengers, MegaSim. We are at Crewe. I need to go from platform 2 to platform 11. And I need to get there in 10 minutes time. So that's what we're going to do. We're not on the 323, we're on something totally different. Totally different for today's video. So yeah, I've got to run over to, walk with me to platform 11. So yeah, I've just arrived on this 170 from Derby. What was it? 7:45 train. Oh, it was so early. But it's all right because I want to show a bit of train spotting and a bit of this station. Where's the roof gone? Look at this. I think they're missing some bit of the roof. So you got it there, but this bit, look, it's just gone. That's not me.
Delayed by approximately 15 minutes. We apologise for this late running and the inconvenience this may cause you.
It's quite empty. I thought I'd try. Oh, it is on the terminus. Oh, look at that one over there. It's a transport for Wales, but it's not mine. What I will do at the end of this video is I will put in the entry into Crewe, so you can see the LSL area. You can see a Midland Pullman carriage. I wonder if it was a broken one or I don't know, spare one. But yeah, we're at platform 3, but I need to get to platform 11, so I think I'm going to go up over this bridge. I think that's kind of the best thing to do. Oh, need the loo as well. Lifts, yeah, so stairs to platform 12 and we're going to platform 11. So let's head on up there. I'm not going to put you through going up the stairs. So yeah, this is the station. Bridge. I can hear that TFL? No. TFL. Transport for London? No. Transport for Wales. That was that 323? That's 8. So that's not me. But I don't know what we're going on though. So we'll find out in due time. Where are we going? Nine and 10. Platform 11. Is this platform 11? This is platform 11. Okay. So there is an Avanti West Coast Voyager over there. Oh. I'm out of breath. So we're waiting for our train to come in. So it comes in at 9:17. So I don't need to be around here. Let's go and have a look over here. Look at this 153. So is this an old East Midlands? Let's go and have a look. I don't know. What livery is that? Hopefully you got to see that with it blurry, because there are people in there and they're all staring at me like, what are you doing putting me on your camera, on your videos? Let's have a look. So 9:45 to Holyhead, platform 12. Platform 5 to Manchester Piccadilly. So there should be something coming through here for Manchester Piccadilly. Why am I thinking 9:30? It's 9:15. Why am I even checking now? I don't know what's going on. Let's should have actually read it properly. 9:10, platform 5. Okay. Let's have a look. Platform page 1. Go on, change the page. Change the page. Anyway, look at this. This is lovely. It's gorgeous. 9:26. Okay, so 9:16 is just to be a little. So yeah, we are just waiting for our one to Chester, which should be arriving in a couple of minutes. Yeah, it's 1:15 now. So it'll be 9:17. But yeah, look at this brickwork. Oh, it's lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. Do we do a video of the Chester, Crewe to Chester? I'm not sure yet. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. It was just a little walk round. Didn't want it to be too long. I say it's a train spotting video. There's no trains coming through. We've seen all the trains coming through, and this is about it. But no, thanks very much for watching. Train spotting Crewe, done. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos from the MegaSim. Social media links are in the description below. And I will see you on the next video. This is MegaSim out of here. See you later, guys. Bye.
Yeah, that first phase on the other side, yeah, it's opposite the gate there, yeah, I think. Yeah, it's fair. 2 phases instead of fair. Yeah. Yeah, to be fair, we sometimes doing that, then outside and we like, but why he didn't put like back is like a back, he got like because we sometimes doing that, like, you know, we turning signs like so it looks like behind us. It's yeah. You know, when I'm doing overall pictures, not like by a very single laser picture. Yeah, that would.
We'll shortly be arriving into Crewe, where this train terminates. Once again, Crewe is your next and final station.
Bye.